To upload your own voice to Suno AI is fairly simple. All you need to do is simply open up Suno and then go ahead and select Create. Now, under Create, you're going to the section labeled Simple, and you should see the option Add Voice. So go ahead and select it. Then choose the option Create Voice, which means record or upload your own voice. Go ahead and select that. Now, all you need to do is simply choose one of these three options. You can select from the library, you can upload your own audio, or you can select record. Ensure that you do have a good microphone so that it captures the voice to the best of its abilities. And keep in mind, this is a beta uh, item, so it's not going to be the best, but it should do something. So go ahead and select your preferred choice and then just sing something in your natural voice. So select start recording, sing whatever song that you want to sing, something that you know by heart as it's telling you, and you do need to give the necessary permission, so go ahead and allow it. Choose your preferred microphone before you do so, like that. And then just go ahead and sing whatever it is that you want. As you're singing, you can see it's busy here recording your voice. So go ahead and just continue. Wait for it to finish going all the way around to where it started, and then you can go ahead and select done. If you're not happy with what you've done, you can just select restart and try again. Now, by doing so, you should be able to now listen to your recording, and if you're okay with it, you can just select use voice. Now, you do need to verify, so go ahead and just sing a joyful melody from your favorite song now. So just say any of those options out loud so that you can now verify your voice and it's the specific one that you are actually using. Wait for it to finish. And once it's done, you should now be able to describe your singing. So if you're still finding your own voice, you can choose to select that. Or if you're a pro, you can choose to select professional. So it's up to you to decide. Or alternatively, you can skip all of this. I would recommend you selecting any of those options so that the AI can be able to tune it to its specific liking. Then from here, all you need to do is simply name the voice. You can edit the profile icon for that specific voice. You can add tags, a description, and then select save. You can choose to make your voice public, but it's completely up to you. It's not a necessary thing. Now, once you do that, you should be able to use your voice to be able to create any songs that you want. So, for example, you can go ahead and put lyrics, select your voice as one of those choices, and create your song. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.